12-year-old Lauren Johnson, you see, has a rather bad case of the achooves.
I can't stop sneezing. It goes off about 8 to 9 times a minute.
It's been going on 2 weeks. Not only can she not stop sneezing 8 or 9 times a minute, she has a little brother who can't stop doing this.
And then when you came home, you came back sneezing.
Bless you.
What do you have to say about that, about how much you want this to stop?
Bless you. It's been around 2 weeks. I have some of my friends here and there talk
God
to
bless
them,
you.
that I have been in school, so I've had teachers come out, and
Bless
I've had to do the homework at home.
Bless you.
Well, you know, at least he's polite. You don't see that. Ever see anything like that, Guillermo? No way.